2018 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. It's hard to make an economic case for any converted hybrid right now. This means all hybrids on the market right now, except for the Toyota Prius, which is the only hybrid built from the wheels up to be a hybrid. What's the difference? And why does it matter? Converted hybrids began life as non-hybrids. Later on, their non-hybrid engine drivetrain was replaced with a hybrid drivetrain. But the car wasn't designed to be a hybrid, so it is invariably heavier and less efficient than a purpose-built hybrid like the Prius, which was built around its hybrid drivetrain. This is why a dedicated hybrid like the Prius averages 50 mpg, but converted hybrids like the RAV4 hybrid that's the subject of this review average much less, and not much more than the non-hybrid version of the same thing. 34 city, 30 in the highway, versus 23 city, 30 on the highway. Which is a big problem when gas is cheap, and the hybrid conversion costs several $1,000s more to buy than the non-hybrid version of the same thing. What it is. The RAV4 hybrid is a gas-electric version of Toyota's compact-sized crossover SUV. It's similar in general layout to other models in this segment such as the Honda CR-V, Ford Escape, Hyundai Santa Fe Sport and VW Tiguan, among others, but unusual in terms of being a hybrid. Because none of those others offer a hybrid configuration. Subaru used to, the hybrid version of the Crosstrek, but it's been cancelled. They may have been onto something. The RAV4 hybrid isn't a bad vehicle, because the RAV4 is a very good vehicle. It's one of Toyota's best sellers, in fact. The problem, for the hybrid, is justifying its $2,725 higher MSRP, $27,135 to start, versus the non-hybrid RAV. One way Toyota hopes to do that is by making all-wheel drive standard in the hybrid. It's optional in the non-hybrid RAV. This closes the price gap significantly. While the front-wheel drive non-hybrid RAV costs $24,410, the AWD-equipped version starts at $25,810. Thus, the difference in price between the AWD hybrid and AWD non-hybrid is only $1,325, which makes the hybrid's math more favorable. It will still take some time, and some miles, to work off that $1,325 in fuel savings. But it won't take nearly as long as it would to work off the almost $2,800 difference between the FWD non-hybrid RAV and the AWD hybrid RAW. What's new? Another, subtler, way that Toyota has come up with to make the hybrid RAV more economically persuasive is by offering it in a lower-cost LED trim, just like the non-hybrid RAV. Last year, the RAV hybrid was only available in higher-line XLE, SE and Limited trims, each progressively more expensive. The least expensive being the $29,030 XLE. That widened the price gap between the hybrid and the non-hybrid to more than $4,600, an economically unsupportable proposition when gas is about $2.25 per gallon. The XLE and Limited trims did, and still do, come with additional amenities such as leather trim, a two-tone interior, heated seats and navigation. Such amenities are certainly nice, but if you're trying to save money, the main justification for buying a hybrid, right? They run counter to the object of the exercise.